Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Hey pretty girls, so let's get ready for brunch. Okay, so let's start off with my skin prep, guys. This is so important. So if you guys don't know, I live in the only South Florida, and it's so hot. So let me show you guys how I make my sweat proof matte makeup. Okay, so I did go makeup shopping at Sephora, and I tried out this Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. Absolutely love it. It is such a great consistency, so thin, and it seeps in my skin and moisturizes so freaking nice. So if you guys want to get your hands on that, definitely Team Stacie approved. Next up, I'm taking it back to my Calamine lotion. If you guys don't know, this was my secret hack that went completely viral on YouTube. You guys know I like to use Calamine lotion to just kind of give myself a mattifying prep before we put in any foundation. Okay, so after putting my Calamine lotion, making sure it's blended in and dried down on my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. So for foundation, I'm taking my NARS Radiant Skin Foundation. So even though we do want a mattifying look, I'm not gonna go matte on matte on matte on matte on matte. I wanted to use the Radiant Skin just so I can have some type of glow to this face, and still give, you'll just see how the balance goes. Okay, so next up, we're gonna do some concealing and contouring. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Camo contour, my e.l.f. Camo concealer. This is in shade medium warm. Then I'm gonna take my contour stick from Black Opal, and this is in shade hazelnut. Also, your girl has been very happy, so the happy weight has been coming in. So I'm also contouring my, my chin, my double chin a little bit. So yeah, now we're gonna blend. Now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush. Now this brush is a dupe from Shein, super cheap, girl, like $1.25. Now y'all know Shein is in that Rico case. I don't know, I'm not gonna say too much, okay, but Shein got some really raw makeup brushes, so we don't know what's gonna happen with Shein. So get your hands on their brushes. Their Real Techniques dupes are to die for. Like, girl, you cannot beat it. Like, under $2 for a makeup brush. Stop playing with me, okay? Period. So anyways, I'm blending everything out. I like to blend out the edges and then work my way into the center of my concealer. That's just how I get that flawless skin butter, that buttery look, and it just looks just so bomb. Guys, my makeup was so raw this day. Literally, when I went to brunch, my friend literally told me, you guys know I'm a makeup artist in my city, but she literally told me it looks like I got my makeup done. Now, if you know, like, when you do your own makeup, sometimes it doesn't look like you got it done. It just looks like you did your own makeup. You're like, oh, you look pretty, you did your makeup today. But when you could do your face and it looks like another pro MUA did it, mic drops. The makeup is eating, period. So anyways, we're blending out the contour with my foundation brush. That's also a dupe from Real Techniques that I got from Shein. Okay, yeah, let's get that chin, baby. Okay, your girl has been eating up a storm. I've been happy, and that chin was definitely doubling up, but it's okay, because wait, we're giving skin tea, period. Okay, yeah, snatched. Get into it. Okay, right. All right, guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish blending her out. Now we're gonna jump into my nose contour. You guys know we like to give snatched over here, honey. We like to give snatched, we like to give bronze, we like to give sun kissed, and we just like to give all of that. So I'm just taking my another dupe from Real Techniques that I got from Shein. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just take that and blend out the sides of my nose, and then also blend, my concealer to my nose, just making sure my nose just looks very much defined and snatched, period. Next up, setting powders. So I have the one size, and I got the Laura Mercier's. I told you guys I needed to get a new setting powder that was going to top my Laura Mercier. Somebody told me to try out the one size setting powder. I tried it. I need to try it again, because the first time I tried it, it was just too much going on. I didn't like my makeup in general, so I feel like she didn't get a fair shot. So I'm gonna run it back, but today I'm pulling out the old reliable because I'm going out. Okay, when I'm trying new stuff, I like to kind of like try it inside and not outside where I'm taking pictures. So yeah, I pulled out the old reliable. So I'm taking the Laura Mercier in translucent, and we're just setting. So you guys know my setting routine. If you don't know, I'm gonna tell you right now. First, I take a face powder. My face powder is from MAC. I use shade C7, and I go ahead and put that all where I put my concealer, and then I go back in on top with my setting powder from Laura Mercier. So yeah, that's my little combination to get like a really airbrushed, under eye and just face. So I did go ahead and take my Glimmer Bronze from Morphe. This is in shade Phenon. Unfortunately, this bronzer is sold out. However, Juvia's Place has really good bronzer, so you can get it from there. Today, I'm also taking a blush from Juvia's Place. You guys know I love Juvia's Place. But I'm going to go ahead and take the blush from Juvia's Place. This is their orange shade. I want to say this is volume 6. If it's not 6, it's 4. But it's not 5. But it's definitely 4 or 6. One of those. So yeah, I did go ahead and do my brows off camera. I lined up, you know, my bronzer. I'm talking a little slow. The video's moving a little fast, but it's okay because you guys see what's going on. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that brown shade all over my lid. You guys know this is the baddie staple. One shadow. Very easy. It always gonna give. It always eats. Because I have ginger hair, I feel like it looks more orange, and then also I had like an orange blush, so the oranges are getting pulled out of this look. Also, I'll show you. You guys can see by my thumbnail, and if you guys follow me on Instagram at team.stacie, you guys will see my outfit. I wore like orange heels and an orange purse, so orange was definitely getting pulled out today. But yeah, that's the eyeshadow. Then we did go ahead and do a quick little cat eye, not too dramatic, but still giving very much Nicka Mirage, period. Yeah. Oh my god, don't get tired of me. I hope you guys love me. If you love me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, come on, girl. So these lashes are from, let me take a moment. What do you think it's from, girl? Where I got my brushes from? Yeah, I had tried their lashes. Yes, girl, I went to Shein. I got these big old butterfly lashes. Yes, I'm about to fly away. I had a comment. Somebody was like, yeah, your lashes are too big. They look like a caterpillar. Girl, shut up. Please shut up. Girl, stop playing with me. Please stop playing with me. I don't care. I like big lashes. Big lashes look good on me. If you can't wear big lashes, that's you. You don't have to wear big lashes. But me, that's me tapping on my chest. Me and my girls, we gonna wear big lashes. Anyways, I'm dusting off my face with the same face powder that I had put earlier. MAC Studio Fake Setting Powder in shade C7. Dusting off all the excess powder. Then I'm going to take my Nicka K lip liner, and this is in shade Coffee. We are going to line my lips down. Okay, y'all saw that viral TikTok of that lady talking about don't do your brown. Girl, follow me on TikTok if y'all want to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, she tried it. We love a brown lip liner with a new lip, period. And y'all know this lip gloss is from Team Stacie Cosmetics. It's gonna be releasing soon. Don't kill me, it's coming. Girl, why did I think I was on my makeup? Girl, I forgot to set my face. Anyways, we're going to set with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm spraying her down. This is how we get the melt. So you want to set with a setting spray that's kind of wet and misty like this. And then, this is another step. See how we use our Calamine lotion? You want to take a one size. This will lock your makeup in all day. When I say it was like 100 degrees outside, I sat outside. Y'all see me right here. I was sitting outside. I was sweating so bad my makeup didn't move. I'm telling you right now. This tutorial right here is for the girls that get sweaty. Y'all be in the clubs, y'all be outside, y'all be in the heat, whatever, going to work, it don't matter. If you get sweaty, this is how you're gonna make your makeup stay. My makeup lasted all day. The most it did was look a little bit dewy towards the end of the day. But besides that, baby, it's locked in. Shout out to One Size. I love you, Patrick. I watch your videos and you're just so inspirational. Anyways, guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tapping into my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me, always liking, always commenting. I just love you guys. Our family, our team is just growing so big, and I just appreciate this so much. If you haven't joined the team, just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel, okay? Give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Girl, what you doing? Like the video, period. And go ahead and comment down this secret emoji that's gonna pop up on the screen. And yeah, I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.